We've got a clinical case. Okay, my beloveds, let's go. A 28-year-old woman, at 10 weeks of gestation is found to have a twin pregnancy on her first trimester ultrasound. Oh, great. The ultrasound report notes the presence of one placenta and one amniotic sac, shared by both features. This type of twinning carries the highest risk for which of the following specific complications? No entanglement, of course. But let's go. Give me options. Preterm labor? No. Gestational diabetes? For what? What for? No. Twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome? No. Cord entanglement, finally. This is a correct option. So the question asks the student to identify the most specific and highest risk complication associated with the rarest form of twinning. Very rare, huh? Rarest form of twinning. So the key is to correctly interpret the ultrasound findings. So one placenta, we remember that one placenta is what? It's a monochorionic. One amniotic sac is monoamniotic. So therefore, this is a monochorionic-Monoamniotic, MOMO, twin pregnancy. Okay, this is the MOMO. About cord entanglement, this is the correct option. In a MOMO pregnancy, both fetuses and floating freely in the same amniotic sac. Their two umbilical cords are also floating in this shared space. As the babies move and grow, they are extremely high risk, over 50%, that their umbilical cords will become entangled, knotted, or compressed. This can cut blood flow and oxygen to one of both fetuses, leading to sudden, unpredictable intrauterine fetal demise, stillbirth. This is the single greatest danger unique to this specific type of twinning, and is why MOMO pregnancies require intensive inpatient monitoring and are often delivered very prematurely, for example 34 weeks, of course, via C-section. Cesarean, yes, C-section. Why other options are incorrect? Okay, let's go. Preterm labor. This is the most common complication of all multiple pregnancies due to the over-distension of the uterus. While this patient is at high risk for preterm labor, it's not the most specific or highest risk associated with the monoamniotic state. What else? I'm sorry, what else? Yeah, gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes, what? Why? The risk of gestational diabetes is increased in multiple pregnancies. We know that due to larger placental mass producing more hormones, but it's a general risk. And as we understand the question correctly, not specific for the chorionicity or amnionicity. Okay? It's a high risk for all multiple pregnancies. And TTTS, that is twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome, this is a very serious complication that is specific to monochorionic twins who share the placenta, but it occurs when there are abnormal blood vessel connections in the shared placenta, causing one twin, the recipient, to get too much blood and the other, the donor, to get too little. However, the risk is present in both monochorionic diamniotic, MODI, and monochorionic-Monoamniotic, MOMO, pregnancies. Cord entanglement is a danger that is uniquely and catastrophically high only in the monoamniotic state. Okay? We have to remember that, of course. So high yield takeaway while evaluating twin pregnancies, okay? The most clinical first step is to determine the chorionicity and amnionicity. Chorionicity and amnionicity. So this classification dictates the entire management plan. So MOMO twins are the highest risk due to profound danger of cord entanglement. Now that is. Okay. Interesting clinical case, actually. Stay blessed.